Okay.
Hey, so we're working on our 2-second lean improvement for this week, and Dan in shipping came up with a really good idea. We have our large trash can at the rear of the building, and 4 times a week he walks up to the front, and we notice it's 40 steps up and 40 steps back. So it's 80 steps every time he goes back there for a trash bag. So one simple idea, just move the trash bags right next to where the trash can is. So if we're doing 80 steps for each trash bag refill times 4 times a week, 80 times 4 is 320 steps times 52 weeks comes out to 16,640 steps that we're walking every year just to replace 4 trash bags at the rear of the building. Now, when you equivalent this to miles walked, it's about 2,000 steps per mile. So that worked out to 8.3 miles. So one lean improvement saves one man walking 8.3 miles each year. So for the 2-second lean improvement that we just showed you, which of the 8 deadly wastes would this come under? Let us know. Thank you.
Call or email us a list today and let us know what equipment you've got, and we'll give you a quote on the spot.